Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Pwede ba makadawat si teacher og hazard pay and overtime pay? Tara, let's talk about this. Selected teachers in the Philippines may receive both hazard pay and an overtime pay because these two benefits derive from different laws and different issuances. Hardship allowance derives from Republic Act 4670 or the Magna Carta for Public School Teachers in Section 8 states that government shall provide special hardship allowance to teachers who are assigned in dangerous places, calamity-prone areas, or far-flung areas. Whereas overtime pay derives from DepEd Order 26 Series 2025, the guidelines of payment for overtime services of teachers states na kung ang teacher nakarender na siya 8 hours sa iyang station, 6 hours of actual teaching and 2 hours of ancillary service, nya napagid siya ning render pag siya extra pagid biyan sa iyang 6 hours actual teaching, ang teacher is qualified to apply for overtime pay. So the question is, ang teacher qualified siya to receive both? The answer is yes in a way. If ang teacher na-assign siya sa far-flung area and ni-render pa siya more than sa 8 hours sa iyahang pagtudlo. So pwede siya makadawat both. Kay lahi-lahi man siya o gigikanan sa issuances or guidelines. So this has been Attorney Ken Bermersado saying, let's continue to empower our community with knowledge, dignity, and justice. So if you want to learn more videos about Philippine and educational laws, please follow, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.